Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and here I am with another Java program solution from CodingBat website. So today's program is start Oz. So let's see what it says. Given a string, return a string made of the first two characters. That means a string is already given, and we have to return another string that is made of two characters if present, means if two characters are present. However, include first character only if it is O. That means we have to include the first character only if it is O, and we have to include the second character only if it is Z. So Ozymandias yields Oz. That means the string Ozymandias will give the output Oz because the first character has O and the second character has Z. So here are few examples to make it clear, and let's see how can we do it. So it said we have to return a string, means a string is given and we have to return another string. That means let's take another string, that is string S. Let it be string S, and it will be an empty string. We will add in it later. And if the string length, that means the given string's length, is more than equals to 1 and strings character at the position 0 is equals to O, that is character O. If it is so, then we will return no, currently we can't return because we have to check another one. Okay, then we'll add it to the string, this one, the string S plus equals to string dot char at position 0. So here I am saying if the length of string is more than equals to 1 and the length of and the string at character and the character at string position 0 is O, then we will add the string O to our string S. And else if, or let's give it if, it would be better, I think so. Again we have to check string length more than equals to 2. This time we have to check more than equals to 2 because we have to check the second position of the character, means the character at the second position, and check that at second position is indeed Z or not, and if it is Z, we will add the string or the character at the second position to our string S, and at the end we will return our string S. So let's see how it goes. This says that there is a error at line 7. So line 7 would probably be at, it would be char at, not chat at. So let's see. Here you can see we have successfully run the program and we got the correct answer as expected. So let me say once again. At first I am taking a string s, and after checking if the length of the string, that is the given string, is more than equals to 1, and the character at 0 position of the string is 0. If that matches, then we are adding the character at 0 position, that is 0, not 0, sorry, O, at in our string s. And if the string is more than equals to 2 character, then we are checking the character at second position and checking if the character second position is z, and if it matches, then we are adding it to our string s, and at the end we are returning our string s. So we are getting os z o as it is given, and if it is an empty string or nothing is there, then it is given an empty output. So with that said, if you have any doubt regarding the video or any part of the video, then you can feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.